Hello everyone, today we're gonna see how to apply shea butter to hair. Firstly, if your shea butter is solid, warm a small amount in your palms until it melts into an oil-like consistency. This makes it easier to apply evenly to your scalp and hair. Section your hair to ensure even coverage and take a small amount of shea butter and massage it into your scalp in circular motions using your fingertips. Focus on dry or flaky areas to stimulate blood circulation and nourish the scalp. If your hair is dry, frizzy or dull, apply shea butter to the length of your hair and use a wide tooth comb to distribute it evenly. Let it sit for up to an hour as pre-shampoo treatment for deeper conditioning. Wash your hair with gentle, sulfate-free shampoo to remove excess shea butter and follow up with a light conditioner to lock moisture. After washing, style your hair as usual, and if your hair is extra dry, apply a tiny amount of shea butter to the ends of the added moisture and frizz control. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.